Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use probiotic powder. Start by checking the label for strains, CFU, dosage, and storage recommendations. I'll walk you through measuring doses, mixing techniques, timing with meals, and how to store your powder for best potency. I'll also cover common mistakes, signs it's working, and simple tips to make probiotics part of your daily routine in a safe, effective way. Measure precisely using the provided scoop or a small digital scale for accuracy. Mix probiotic powder into cool or room temperature liquids like water, juice, or yogurt, stirring gently until dissolved. Avoid hot drinks and prolonged mixing that can harm live cultures. If taste is an issue, blend into smoothies or a small serving of applesauce to mask flavor. Store leftover powder tightly sealed and follow label storage notes for best results. Follow product guidance on timing, as many formulas perform best with food or immediately after a meal for survival through stomach acid. If you're using antibiotics, space doses, or consult your provider to avoid interactions. Start with a lower dose to assess tolerance, since mild gas or bloating can occur initially and usually resolves. Track how you feel so you can adjust timing or product type for the best day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.